that ran the moment things got just a little rough.
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low.
Why is this so hard? I don't want to fight all the time.
Only know you love her when you let her go.
I think you should go.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
Doesn't matter what you say or what you do.
I can't just stand by and I can't pretend to be normal.
It's just changed everything.
I don't want you to be normal. I want you to be
I think
alive.
you know how you feel about me now. And
you let it go.
I don't think time's gonna change that.
Staring at the bottom of your
I used to think of you as somebody that would never, ever hurt me. Ever.
And they go so fast.
I can't. You're a totally different person to me now.
You see her when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why. Everything you touch,
I can't take your pain.
dies.
You should just go.
But you only need the light when it's burning low.
Now we're in a tough spot again, Rach. What do you want to do? How do you want to handle it, huh? Do you want to fight for us, or do you want to bail?
Class, this is our new student, Alisson Argent. Please do your best to make her feel welcome.
I love you.
I love you too.
More than I've ever loved anybody.
But what if that's the only thing we have in
Only hate
common?
the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let it go.
You can't just kiss
I'm
me
always on
and
your
think you're
side.
gonna make it all go away, okay? It doesn't work that way. It doesn't just make it better,
Staring at the
okay?
ceiling in the dark. Same old empty feeling in your heart. 'Cause love comes slow and it goes.
Right now, I don't feel like I can trust you. I'm gonna get a new phone tomorrow morning, and I'm gonna get a new phone. I'm gonna give you a call. Don't.
You're a horrible liar, and you've been lying all night.
Just tell me,
Too deep.
do you love me?
Well, you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go.
It's okay. It's perfect.
Only know you've been high when you're feeling low.
Oh, my first love.
Only hate the road when you're missing
The
home.
first person I've ever loved.
Only know you love her when you let her go.
I love you.
And just let her go.
Let's go.